Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Employee Central Login Dignity Health. First, what you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section right over here, that is your URL section, type down Employee Central Dignity Health, and after you're done, click on enter. And you have to click on this option that says Dignity Health Employee Central, and an interface like this will open. What you have to do is type down your email. And if you want to keep signed in, you can click on this option and click on this next. And you are also required with your password. And after that, you can click on this option that says verify, and then you'll be signing with your Employee Center login, Dignity Health. And if you have forgotten your password or you want to reset your password, you can click on this option that says reset a forgotten password as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.